a really good day. Really hit my heart. So here's how it went down. I have yet to find his body. Today's been a little unfortunate, right, Papa? And what? And exploded. Oh my gosh. This is what it's looking like outside. Winter Wonderland. That happened. It's okay that that happened. He's amazing and I love him. This is what it's looking like outside. Guys, I was having a good day. A really good day. And then I came home and I found two things. One, the cushion skewed everywhere, right? I was upset, but I'm like, clearly this is not okay. We know who did it and they put themselves in timeout. So they had a moment of timeout. But no, what really hit my heart and really just like made me sad, and I audibly was like, no! My guy Frenchie here, he used to have a body, and he used to have a full chin. I have yet to find the rest of him. I did find a bunch of little pieces for, like in here. And when I audibly, well, I didn't scream, but when I audibly like made a comment about this, boys! When I audibly made a noise for this, Lucas tucked his tail and he walked himself into the crate. But I can tell you how this happened, because my boy Frenchie here used to be up here, okay? So this is my little shelf full of beautiful collections. So Nick and I found this at a thrift store. There's a meaning behind it for us. This my aunt found and got it for me because clearly I love photography and cameras and all of that fun jazz. Nick 3D printed this little boat with his new 3D printer that he got. I have this glass duck. And then the shelf is a little empty because Frenchie is no longer up here. So I can tell you what happened. So here's how it went down. Val, being the little mischievous thing that she is, she got up on the shelf. She's done it before. She hasn't done it in a while. But she got up on that shelf. She found Frenchie and she's like, oh, this is so cute. Let me play with it. It's a toy. She knocks it down. Lucas finds it. And Lucas chews it and rips it apart. And how do I know this, you might ask? Because it's happened before with birds. So the birds that we have out in the living room, we had more of them. Well, we do have more of them, different seasons, whatever. But we used to have like a couple more, and Val knocked them down. Lucas found them, and then they were no more. So I still have his head, most of his head. So I will be keeping this. I will find a new place for it. I think what I'm gonna do, you know what, I'll show you guys later. I think I know what I'm gonna do with them, but I have yet to find his body, and I don't know if I ever will. So, rest in peace, Frenchie, the pop funk. This is really sad. This was so cute. I loved him. And now I just have a head. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. So today's Friday, and it is a busy weekend. So I wanted to take you guys along with me. It is currently like 1:45. I got home a little bit ago, like half an hour ago, maybe. I think somewhere around in there. So after I got off work, I went grocery shopping. It's also 6 degrees outside. Feels like, oh, only feels like -6. I think it got a little warmer. But we are in like extreme cold this weekend. The entire country is. But yeah, so not looking forward to having a busy weekend outside of the house because it's so frigid, but we make do. So today's Friday. I just imported all of my clips for Monday's video. Tonight we have a walleye game that we're going to, so that's super exciting. And then tomorrow we're super busy. Well, I'm super busy. I have a play tomorrow, and then, so also today's my dad's birthday. I know my dad sporadically watches some of my videos, so Dad, if you're watching this, happy birthday. I'm really glad I get to see him tonight. But yeah, so it's his birthday. I think we're gonna maybe celebrate tomorrow. I don't know. I don't know if my brother can go anymore tomorrow. I think something came up, but we shall see. Anyway, but yeah, so, and then Sunday I work, and then Nick and I have date nights, which is gonna be so exciting. He's planning this one. Shall be fun. So I think I'm going to sit and edit for a little bit. I did pick up a Bloom energy drink at the store. I am so tired, and we do not have time to be tired. So I think here in a little bit, I threw it in the freezer because it was just on the shelf, so it was warm, and I want it cold. So I threw it in the freezer for a bit. But anywho-ha, I am going to start editing. I think my goal is to edit until, let's see, it's almost 2, it's like 1:45, so maybe for like an hour and a half or so. Maybe sometime between 3 and 3:30 is when I think I want to be done, because I kind of want to read. Just kind of like slow my brain down, just like not focus on anything really for a bit. But we will see, because so my goal for right now today is to get the first rough cut done of my video. That's the plan. So I am going to do this editing, and then I will talk to you guys later, probably after like dinner, before we go to the game. Probably when I'll talk to you guys again. So, do you want me to hold you? Do you want to be held, Bubba? Yeah, I hold you. Come here. Lucas, no. Say hi. Say hi. What? He's okay. He's right there. He's not doing anything. So, today's been a little unfortunate, right, Bubba? Yeah. So I told you guys I got an energy drink earlier at the store. I put it in the freezer because I wanted it cold, and I got it off the shelf, you know, so it was warm. And it's just your sister, Bubba. Well, your girl forgot about it, pulled it out of the freezer, not thinking how long it had been in there or anything. I went to open it, and it went and exploded. And it was just slush. So we couldn't have that, right, Bubba? So instead we just made a Keurig coffee. It's all good. It's all good. We had some pizza for dinner, and now we are gonna go to the game, right, Bubba? Well, you're not coming. You're not coming with them. Yeah, you're not coming with. Yeah, it's been, oh, I got the first rough cut of my video done. So that is all set, and then I think the plan is tomorrow morning I'm gonna finish it. I also have a nail appointment tomorrow at 10, so should be good. It's gonna be a long day, but it's gonna be good. It's all good. So anyway, say hi. Say hi. Hi dear. Hi dear. This is my baby. Yeah. Is that so? Go say hi. You're so cute. You're so cute, Bubba. Okay, so we're gonna be leaving for the game soon. I'm just wearing my sweatshirt. Where's Lucas? Some yoga pants, and then I'm gonna put on my wedges, my boot wedges that I always wear because, yeah, because they're comfy and they're high. So when I walk through snow, sometimes my toes do still get wet. My toes also get cold, but they're comfier than my snow boots to like walk in. So that's what we're doing. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow, but this is the start of a busy, fun weekend. Hi guys, it is Saturday. Can you see? It is freezing and his car is in the garage and I can see my breath. Oh my gosh. No, today's the coldest day. It is -5. Feels like 1 degree. That's a lie. That is poppycock. It's not making it feel warmer. No, 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 no. But anyway, today's Saturday. It is currently like 9:40 and I'm on my way to go get my nails done because they are overgrown and just they're not looking good. So we're gonna get them done. I think I'm just gonna do like a Valentine's Day color. I was talking to Nick last night because I'm like, should I do like red tips or should I do also, I'm sorry if the like heat blowing is too loud. I don't really care right now. But anyway, I was like, should I do red tips, like red French tip, or just like all pink? And he said, well, why don't you do both? Like pink with a red French. And I was like, I think I can make that work. So that's the plan. That's what I'm gonna get done. So we are gonna go get our nails done. I've kind of let the car warm up a bit. And yeah, then I have a play this afternoon. Oh, I also made my coffee to go in my cute little camera lens mug. So yeah, it's exciting. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a cold day, but it's gonna be a good day. So I brushed my teeth and I like washed my face. I'm gonna shower when I get back because I didn't have enough time and I need to shave. See you. Okay, I'm gonna go and I will talk to you guys later. Okay, it's Sunday. I did not talk to you guys again yesterday. Oh, that's so warm. That's not smart, Liz. Okay. I was not in the best headspace yesterday. I went and saw Shucked. It was good. It was funny. It's like lighthearted humor. A lot of corn, a lot of corny jokes and corny puns. So, but it was really good. I enjoyed it. So yeah, today is Sunday. I am headed to work here in a little bit. Let me show you. It's the beginning of, you know, the snowstorm. We're not supposed to get hit with a lot. I think they have upped it. We were like supposed to be around like 6 to 7 inches. Now I think maybe closer to 8. Who really knows if that's true or not, but This is what it's looking like outside. Winter Wonderland. And I think I'm gonna ask Nick. He's gonna be like half asleep. I know he's gonna be okay with it, but I still like to ask. I think I might take his car because his car sits up a bit higher and is like a little bit heavier than my car, so it does a little bit better in the snow. I think I might only be working until noon today. Then Nick and I have a little date night or date day, whatever you want to say, that he has planned. So I'm super excited, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Today is gonna be a good day. Yesterday happened. It's okay that happened. It's in the past. We've moved on. Like, everything's fine. It's just mentally, but yeah, Nick's amazing. I don't deserve him, guys. I really don't. He is just the absolute best in so many ways that I can't even like begin to explain. But yeah, he's amazing, and I love him. So it's gonna be a good day. Okay, it is Monday. Okay, so Sunday, I went into work. We ended up closing at like 10. We had like nobody. The weather was getting bad, so like coming home was not it was not good. So yeah, I came home. I had asked Nick if he could shovel the driveway, at least like the bottom, because getting out yesterday morning was a little bit tricky. So he said yeah. So he had done that before I got home. They have a toy because of course whenever I start they have to do that. Anyway, so very appreciative of him for shoveling the driveway. So I came home. I got home around, I think it was like 10:30, and it was snowing all day. We ended up getting like 10 inches of snow. Around like 3:30, Nick and I went outside and we both shoveled, so that way it wouldn't take like quite as long. And then I think we got another 2 inches after we shoveled. So this is what it's looking like outside. Winter Wonderland. And it's so cute because the boys have to like really hop to get through the snow. So after we came in from shoveling, I had dinner. I just had some pizza. Then I ended up falling asleep around, no, this is mine. I ended up falling asleep around like 6:30. I slept until like 9. Nick's like, okay, you need to get up, like we're gonna go to bed. So I got up, I brushed my teeth, got ready for bed, and then I went to bed. And yeah, so I didn't talk to you guys, but I didn't really talk to anybody. I was like asleep pretty much all day. I just made some eggs and then warmed up a piece of bread because I am going to, it is 8:30. Nick is at work. I don't think I'm gonna go anywhere today. The roads are not good, and Nick called me when he was trying to leave our neighborhood because they had plowed the main road, but they left a big pile of snow right in our entrance to and from our neighborhood. So Nick kept getting stuck in his SUV. So my little sedan would not make it. He said he had to keep backing up and like flooring it like 4 times to get out. So I don't think I'm going anywhere today. I think my goal is to shovel later. It's not snowing, but I think I want to shovel later so that way he can come home and not have to deal with it, even though he said it was fine. That's the plan today. I am just gonna be doing stuff around the house. This was a really thick butt of the bread. So yeah, yesterday you didn't miss anything. Literally went to work and then came home, just tried to warm up, and then I fell asleep like the rest of the day. So yeah, today I am going to be inside getting a bunch of house stuff done. Hopefully maybe like starting this video, and yeah, it's just gonna be a nice relaxing day. So I hope you guys liked it. It started off as a really good weekend, and then it kind of went downhill a little bit mentally, but it's all good. It was still a really good, fun weekend. We did not get our snowy pictures yesterday because it was just, I came home and I told Nick, I was like, we can't do this. Like, to get in and out of the neighborhood, first off, was not good. It was not safe. And I was like, the roads are not good. Like, it's not worth it. So it's all good. Saturday I had my play. It was good. It was funny. And you know, Friday we had the walleye game, which was fun. So, and that's just, I mean, that's life. Things happen. It's winter time. It's Ohio. This is, you know, this is just what happens. So it's all good. We're going to do our winter pictures. I may do them tomorrow. I don't know. I'll see kind of what it's like. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up for snow, I guess. Like, I love the snow. And when I don't have to go anywhere, I'm like, oh, it's pretty. It's like a winter wonderland. But I hate the cold. And I get you have to have both of them. You can't have like warm weather and snow. That doesn't mix. But yeah, so comment down below, how much snow did you get wherever you are? We got like 10 inches. We're in like Northwest Ohio, like Toledo area. So how much snow did you get where you guys are from? I'm really curious. So comment down below how much snow you got. As always, I love and appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.